Look at Hindustan Copper, and the start has been in the green because on a year-on-year basis, the numbers look good. So on the top line, there's a growth of close to around 30%. The EBITDA number has doubled on a quarter-to-quarter, on a year-to-year basis. And on the margin performance, on a sequential basis, it's more or less stable. It's come off a little bit from around that 39.5% odd mark, the margin number. But on a year-on-year basis, it's much better, holding at around 38%. If you compare it, it's with a like-to-like number of around 25%. What caused this big surge in terms of margins towards the upper end of 30%? Well, two factors. One is copper prices on a year-on-year basis are still much higher. The second factor is other expenditure is up only around 8% when you have a top-line growth of more than 30%. So as a percentage of sales, other expenditure is only around 38% in comparison with around 47%. The profit number as well gets a bit of a booster shot because of better operational performance. The problem for Hindustan Copper is that, copper prices have come off in the last 45 days or so. And on a trailing multiple, it trades at around 100 times. There's big scope from here on. The problem is the global space itself has got a little bit nervous. So for the time being, the stock is holding up with a gain of around 3.5% odd.
Okay, all right. So that's Hindustan Copper in focus.